Good morning, I'm Rob Wilson, and this is the Euro-Dollar market preview for Friday the 4th of May 2012. As you'll all be aware, it's NFP Friday. We've got some big numbers coming out at 8:30 this morning with real market moving potential. But going into this market, I am a seller at 132 even, and I'm a buyer at 130.70. And if you want to know the method to my madness, hang around, we'll get into it. Okay, look, let's start off with a look at the 1 hour chart here, and this is what I see. This is the remnants of, in fact, we'll come up, you'll see it more clearly. This is the remnants of our upward sloping bull channel, which got broken pretty comprehensively a couple of days back. Here we are. Through we came. Now, many of us were expecting, after having been hemmed in for such a long time, a swifter move south, or perhaps a further move south, and we got neither. And since then, ostensibly, price has been hemmed in. The downward limit of that move, well, one spike yesterday forenoon has been 131.20, that sort of region. So, on the one hand, it is not inconceivable that on news, price may well spike up to retest these areas one last time. And you can see that I've just drawn on the beginnings of a downward sloping, major trend change channel. We've got enough there to sketch it on. I have no idea whether it'll give or not. But that, for me, I start to see a little bit of a confluence. I see a little bit of a confluence up here in the around anywhere between 131.80 and 132, and it wouldn't wreck my bearish bias if we were to get up there and have a very brief look at that. Okay, and on the other hand, price could just dive south on news, and we would be looking then at everything that we've already plotted on below. So if we get through 132.20, we're going to go to 132, and if we get through 132 with any conviction, then its next stopping point is 131 with any conviction. The next stopping off point is 130.70, 50, 30, and the big base, the base that's held this pair up for the last couple of months, 130 even. So that's pretty much how I see it. Come down onto the 15-minute chart, and you perhaps see a little more clearly, or perhaps you don't. It's been that we are stuck in a hell of a range. There's no doubt about it. So I'm definitely going into this session in a very circumspect. Like I say, I'm wouldn't surprise me to see us bomb up here to test the 132s. I wouldn't. I would be looking for weakness up there to sell. There may even be a continuation opportunity on the way, and to the downside, I will be looking at about 130.70, 130.60, that sort of area for a counter trend opportunities, a little reaction. But again, there may be a trending opportunity on the way. So the levels are in, and we just have to kind of see, really. Let's go to the summary. Okay, so with regard to fades, I see the market in a range still, but contemplating this trend reversal to the bear side. Okay, this bear trend reversal. It's contemplating it at the moment. I don't think it's made its mind up, and the price action over the last 24 hours is proof of that. The market's pretty equally balanced with bulls defending 131, and so again, bears defending 131 and bulls defending 130.180, really. And that's what we see. So structural resistance, 131.80, 132 and 132.50. Support down at 131, 130.70, 130.30 and 130 even, the big base. News, as we all know, NFP at 0830 EST. So with regard to the plan, then no bias. I'm going to be trading against well-defined support and resistance edges, or even, perhaps more accurately, swing levels with the trend, if at all possible. I'm expecting a choppy session, but if we get up to those key levels, to the upside 132, and to the downside anywhere between 130.70 and 130.50, I might have a counter trend punt depending on what I see in the price action. If you've got any sense at all, you won't be trading the NFP anyway, and just watching with interest. But if you are intending to go for it, please trade safely, watch your risk, and I wish you the very best of luck. Wilson out.